Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to discuss something called Generative Fill and show you how to use it. Generative Fill is essentially picking an image of a particular size and expanding the image, and then AI fills in around the image to make a different ratio image. You know how it is. You're scrolling for the best image possible. You find something that you really like, but it's portrait, or maybe it's landscape. You need to expand it. You're searching through Unsplash, or maybe you're searching through Adobe stock. And you find something, it's almost perfect. This is where Generative Fill can make it perfect. So jumping into Adobe Express, I'm going to start with my own content and then scroll through some images that I've downloaded in the past and use this city image. I'm going to edit the original and then just jump straight into resizing it. I want it to be square, not landscape. So I'm just going to change the settings by clicking resize and choosing 3800 for the height as well as the width. Make sure that you have expand image checked and then click resize. Wait for the magic. So once Express finishes with the rendering, just like Photoshop, it will give you 3 examples. I can click through these and see which one I like the best, and then I will click and export the one that I would like to keep. I'm going to download this and I can use it for whatever I want. In this instance, I'm going to use Photoshop and I'm going to take an image and I want to resize it for my LinkedIn profile. So I know that the LinkedIn profile image is 1600 by 400 approximately. So I'm going to click on the crop tool, put in 1600 pixels by 400 pixels. And this is going to give me a really tight crop, but I want to expand it beyond the image because I want to have the house in the center, but I want to expand the image on each side. So at the top here, you need to make sure you check Generative Expand, click the checkbox, and then you don't have to put anything in the Generative Expand. So after you give it a moment to render, you'll see the results. I'm just going to zoom in on this one, and you can see expanded the image for the crop that I requested. There's 3 options. Just going to toggle these on and off, see which one I like the best. Okay, I like that one. So thanks for tuning in, and I hope that you can see the power of Generative Fill and how you can utilize it for your Facebook page, LinkedIn profile, or images that you use for a blog or social media on a regular basis. It's a very handy tool. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.